Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss miscellaneous exercise of angle and its measurement. I will explain first question in this video in a very simple language. Now let us start. Select the correct option from the given alternatives. Question number 1. 22 pi upon 15 radian is equals to. First option is 246 degree, B 264 degree, C 224 degree, and D 426 degree. Okay, now we'll convert this radian to degree. See this here. That we know that pi radian is equals to 180 degree, and hence 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree, and hence 22 pi upon 15 radian is equals to, we will convert to the degree, and here we will multiply 22 pi upon 15 by 180 upon pi. Okay, and after simplification you will get 264 degree. या ठिकाणी रेडियनचं जर डिग्रीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला 180 अपॉन पाय ने त्या रेडियनला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, and then you will get here 264, and hence here the option B is correct. Now next question. 156 is equals to 17 pi upon 15 radian, B 13 pi upon 15 radian, C 11 pi upon 15 radian, and D 7 pi upon 15 radian. Now we'll convert this degree to the radian. See this here. We know that 180 degree means what? Pi radian. Therefore 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radian, and hence we convert this 156 degree to radian. That is, we will multiply 156 by pi upon 180, and after simplification you will get here 13 pi upon 15 radian, and hence here the option B is correct here. Now next. A horse is tied to a post by a rope. If horse moves along circular path, always keeping the rope tight, and describes 88 meter when it traces the angle of 72 degree at the center, then the length of the rope is. Okay, the first option A is a 70 meter, B is 55 meter, C is 40 meter, D is 35 meter. Now we'll solve this. Okay, now see this here. The length of rope, that is R, length of arc S is we have given, that is 88 meter. Theta is equals to 72 degree. We will convert it to the radian by multiplying pi upon 180, and after simplification you will get here 2 pi upon 5 radian. Now the length of the arc S is equals to R into theta. Now substitute the value. We know that S is equals to 88 R, and the value of theta is 2 pi upon. Therefore 88 is equals to R into 2 pi upon 5. Now next. Therefore R is equals to 88 into 5 upon 2 pi. Substitute the value of pi here. 88 into 5 upon 2 into 22 upon 7. And then after simplification, you will get here R is equals to 88 into 5 into 7 upon 2 into 22. And hence the value of R is equals to 70 meter. And hence option A is correct here. Now next example. If a 14 centimeter long pendulum oscillates through an angle of 12 degree, then find the length of its path. Means we want to find out S. First option A is a 13 pi upon 14, B is a 14 pi upon 13, C is a 15 pi upon 14, and d is 14 pi upon 15. Now, see this here. Let s be the length of the path described by the extremity of the pendulum. Then s is equals to r theta. Okay, r is equals to 14 centimeter. Theta is equals to 12 degree. We will convert to the radian by multiplying pi upon 180, and after simplification you will get here pi upon 15 radian. Okay, and hence s is equals to r into theta. R is 14 into pi upon 15, and then after simplification you will get here 14 pi upon 15, and hence option D is correct here. Now next, angle between hands of a clock when it shows the time 9 past 45 minutes, that is a 9.45, is the first is 7.5 degree, B is a 12.5 degree, C is a 17.5 degree, and D is a 22.5 degree. Now see this here clock, that is a 9 past 45, that is a 9.45. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand, it's clear that it is a less than 30 degree. Now we'll find out it. See this here. The angle between any two consecutive numbers of a clock is 360 upon 12. That is equals to 30 degree. If minute hand is at 9 and hour hand is at 10, then the angle between them is a 1 into 30, that is a 30 degree. But at 45 past 9, that is at 9.45, the hour hand has moved 45 minutes towards 10. Okay. In 60 minutes, the hour hand covers 30 degree. Therefore, in 45 minutes, it will cover 45 into 30 upon 60 degree. And that's nothing but after simplification, that is a 22.5 degree. आणि म्हणून या दोघातला अँगल किती असणार आहे तर 22.5 degree. It's a less than 30 degree. Okay. And therefore the angle between the two hands of the clock at 10 past 11 is a 22.5 degree. Therefore here the option D is a correct here, 22.5 degree. Now next question. 20 meter of wire is available for fencing of a flower bed in the form of a circular sector of radius 5 meters. Then the maximum area in square meter of the flower bed is, first is A is a 15, B is a 20, C is a 25, and D is 30. Now see this here, the flower bed. We have given that is that 20 meters of wire is available. Now the radius of this sector is a 5, and this is again 5. 5 plus 5, that is a 10. And the remaining for this length of the arc, we will find out first theta. That is S is equals to R into theta. That is a 10 is equals to 5 theta. Theta is equals to 10 upon 5, and that is equals to 2 radian. Okay. The maximum area of the flower bed is equals to 1 upon 2, means what? Area of the sector. 1 upon 2 r square into theta. That is 1 upon 2. Radius is 5 square. Theta is a 2. And after simplification, you will get the required area. That's a 25 meter square. And hence option C is correct here. Next question. If the angles of triangles are in the ratio 1:2:3, then the smallest angle in the radian is pi by 3, first option. B is a pi by 6, C is a pi by 2, and D is a pi by 9. Okay, now we'll find out it. Solution. Let the angles of the triangles be 1k, 2k, 3k, where k is a multiplicative common multiple. These are in degrees. Okay, and the sum of the angles is equals to 180 as the sum of the angles measures of the angles of the triangle. That is k plus 2k plus 3k is equals to 180, and after simplification, that is a 6k is equals to 180. It means k is equals to 180 upon 6. Therefore, k is equals to 30 degree. The smallest k is equals to 30. The smallest angle of the triangle are 1k, that is 1 into 30, that is equals to 30 degree. Okay, and we will convert it to the radian. 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radian, and hence 30 degree is equals to 30 into pi upon 180, and then you will get here pi by 6 radian, and hence the option B is correct here. Now next, a semicircle is divided into two sectors whose angles are in the ratio 4:5. Find the ratio of their areas. The first option, A is a 5:1, B is 4:5, C is 5:4, and D is 3:4. Now see this here. Let the ratio of their angles 4K as to 5K, area of the first sector, that is A1 is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta 1. Okay, the radius are same for the both the sectors. A2 is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta 2. If we take their ratios, A1 upon A2 is equals to 1 upon 2 r square into theta 1, 1 upon 2 r square into theta 2. These two get cancelled. You will get theta 1 upon theta 2. But what about their ratio of their angles? That is 4k as to 5k. That is, substitute the values. Theta 1 upon theta 2 is equals to 4k upon 5k, and that's kk get cancelled, and here you will get 4 upon 5. Therefore, their ratios is 4:5, and hence option B is correct here. Now next question. Find the measure of the angle between hour hand and the minute hand of a clock at 20 minute past 2. Okay, now here the clock shows 20 minute past 2. Now first option, A is a 50 degree, B is a 60 degree, C is 54 degree, D is a 65. Now we'll calculate it. See this here, 20 past 2. The angle between any two consecutive numbers of the clock is, that is, 360 upon 12 is equals to 30 degree. If the minute hand is at 4 and our hand is at 2, the angle between them is a 2 into 30, that is a 60 degree. Okay, जर minute hand हा 4 वरती असेल आणि hour hand हा 2 वरती असेल, then the angle between them is a 60 degree. But at 20 past 2, that is 2.20, the hour hand has moved 20 minutes towards 3. In 60 minutes, the hour hand covers 30 degree, and therefore in 20 minutes, it will cover 30 upon 3, and that is equals to 10 degree. And hence, the angle between the two hands of the clock at 20 past 2 म्हणजे काय की ते 60 पेक्षा कितीने कमी असेल 10 डिग्रीजने कमी असेल that 60 degree minus 10 degree, then you will get here 50 degree, and hence the option A is correct here. Now the next question. The central angle of a sector of a circle of area 9 pi square centimeter is a 60 degree. The perimeter of sector is, then the perimeter of the sector is pi, 3 plus pi, 6 plus pi, and D is a 6. I will find out. We have given the area of the sector and the central angle 60. We want to find out the perimeter of the sector. Now see this here. The perimeter means what? The length OB plus length of the arc S plus length OA means what? R plus S plus R means what? 2R plus S. See this here. Let R be the radius of a circle whose area is a 9 pi square centimeter. Pi r square is equals to 9 pi. Therefore, r square is equals to 9. R is equals to 3 centimeter. Theta radian, that is a 60 degree, is equals to 60 into pi upon 180. And then you will get here pi by 3 radian. Okay. We know that S is equals to r theta. Substitute the value. S is equals to 3 into pi by 3. 3 get cancelled. And you will get here S is equals to pi. It means that the length of the arc. Okay. Now the perimeter of the sector means what? The sum of the all these sides. That is a OB plus S plus OA. That is the length of OA plus length of OB, length of arc AB. And substitute. That is R plus R into theta. That is a 2R plus S. That is a 2 into 3, 6 plus pi. That is 6 plus pi. This is the perimeter of this sector. Okay. And hence the option C is correct here. And in this way, I had completed here first question. And for this academic year, I will complete whole syllabus of 11 standard M1 and M2. Also for the standard 12 M1 and M2. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.